This video is to demonstrate the difference between weight and volume measures. A cup is considered to be 8 ounces, but it's only 8 ounces when you're measuring water, milk, eggs, and butter. Things such as flour weigh significantly less than 8 ounces, and it depends how you pack the flour as to whether or not it's what it's going to weigh. So for commercial use, for volume production, weight is by far the most accurate. The way we weigh things, in this case I'm going to demonstrate using a portion scale. And on the portion scale there is a dial, and the dial can be moved so that it zeroes out. We need something to weigh in, so we're going to put a little pie plate on top of it, and then you need to turn the dial so that it's 0 again. So if I take the flour and I fill the cup and then level it off, so that's 1 cup of flour. When you place it in the pie pan, at this point it weighs a little over 4 ounces. So if I take that same cup and pie plate, make sure it's 0, and I place the flour in, packing it in each time. So this is, say the flour's been sitting around for a long time, or it's been more humid, or one person just presses the flour harder into the cup than another. And level it off again. And now it weighs more than 5.5 ounces. So that's to demonstrate the difference between volume and weight measurement and how much more accurate weight measurement is. So if I wanted 8 ounces of flour, every time on the scale it's going to weigh 8 ounces as long as my scale is accurate. But a cup measuring, it can weigh anywhere, as you can see, from 4 to 5.5 ounces, and there can be some, even a little more variation depending on the type of flour, if it's been sifted, if there's been, as I mentioned, humidity. And there are a number of ingredients that are similar to this, so baking powder, baking soda, rice, apples. So when you dice apples, a cup of apples can have a lot of variation in how much they weigh, given how big the pieces are or small. So weight gives you the same amount of product every time.